Are you looking for an SIP that will give you the highest returns and help you reach your goals in the fastest time possible? Then let me explain. Today, there are lots of opportunities available for investing through mutual funds, and there are new schemes being launched regularly. But out of these schemes, which one will give you the highest returns? Frankly, there is no single scheme that can give you highest returns at all points in time. Every scheme will have its ups and downs. As we have learned from one of our earlier videos, the best scheme for SIP for you will depend on your individual goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. Most of the hard work should go into shortlisting and finalizing the fund. Once you have made the decision, you need to remember that investing to create wealth is a long-term journey. You should not expect to get rich quick. The best way to achieve your financial goals is to invest regularly and consistently over time. Now, there will be times when you may be tempted to switch between schemes just because another scheme is performing better in short term. Instead, keep your focus locked on your long-term goals and continue staying invested in your SIP. This helps because SIPs are designed to give you good results over the long term, and you reap a multitude of benefits ranging from the power of compounding, rupee cost averaging, riding out market volatility, and getting disciplined in your investing habits. Do check out some of our earlier videos to learn more about SIP, and this will help you stay invested in an SIP for the long term. Remember, just like our Zindagi, you need to nurture your investments, take calculated risks, and stay invested for the long term. Only then will you benefit from this ride. For more such content, subscribe to our channel today. An investor education and awareness initiative by HDFC Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.